I really wanted to share this on video because I think that this might be helpful for many people, not just children, but this is going to a loved one. It's the Fidget Cube, and it's helpful in work, home, class. It has a, let's see, where is this? It has elements that click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and let me show you what it looks like. I got the little white and pink one. So there are little gears, there's like a worry stone section, there's a on and off click, there's a rotating disc, there's another one that's on a ball pivot. These click individually. So really kind of cool for those who maybe have challenges keeping concentration, you know, shorter attention spans. It might even be helpful to get through super long conference calls. So lots of various applications, as you can see, and it's really small enough for a child and, you know, interesting enough, I think, for an adult. So there's a closer look at the Fidget Cube.